I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ranch dressing with buttermilk. First, you'll want to gather all your fresh ingredients, including creamy buttermilk, mayonnaise, and a selection of vibrant herbs. Next, we'll combine everything in a single bowl, making the process super simple. We'll then fine-tune the seasonings to your liking, ensuring a perfect taste. Finally, chilling the dressing for at least 30 minutes allows the flavors to fully develop. To create that classic ranch flavor, you'll need 1 cup of fresh buttermilk, which provides the essential tang. We'll also use 1/2 cup of mayonnaise for creaminess and 1/4 cup of sour cream to add richness. Don't forget your fresh herbs such as dill, chives, and parsley for bright, authentic taste. Finally, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper will round out our seasoning blend. Let's get mixing. In a medium bowl, whisk together your buttermilk, mayonnaise, and sour cream until the mixture is completely smooth and well combined. Now, add 1 teaspoon each of garlic powder and onion powder for that savory depth. Stir in 2 tablespoons of your freshly chopped dill and chives. Give it a taste, and then adjust the salt and pepper as needed to suit your personal preference for a perfectly balanced flavor. Once your dressing is perfectly seasoned, transfer it to an airtight container. It's crucial to refrigerate the dressing for at least 30 minutes, or even longer if you have the time. This chilling period allows all those wonderful flavors to meld together and deepen, creating a more harmonious taste. Your homemade buttermilk ranch is now ready to be enjoyed with salads, fresh vegetables, or as a delicious dip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.